Monday morning, Memorial Day style. Welcome to Marathon's Memorial Day Marathon Mondays show. We're gonna be all over this building, so let's get it started. Pre-recorded for your Memorial Day pleasure. Let's go. And here we are in the boutique of the mothership. For a Memorial Day show, I think we'll just go everywhere, including in the boutique, in our lobby, as you can see in the background. Home of a beautiful hat like this, where you can get one of those. Or how about a Dave Bash signature shirt? Not necessarily a signature shirt, it's for our motorsports, but you can get them all. And just like that, we're down in the paint department. Take a look at the lighting in here. You gotta have the correct lighting to do all these paint jobs. How about these awnings over here, set up here? Lots going on in the paint department, but I got a little bit more to show you in some of these paint booths. And here we are in the paint booth, Coach 1363 getting painted right now. John, come take a look at this real quick. Come around this way. Look at how much work goes into actually getting everything correct. This is just one aspect of what our paint guys do. It's just so much to get it right, but the key is to get it right because this is such a statement. All these coaches, all these paint jobs, it is a statement. You want to see a statement? And I said statement. 1365. Take a look at that. The texturing on this, it's not too much, it's not a little, it's just enough texturing so that when this thing hits the road, you're gonna pay attention. 1365, an X3 double slide coming right out of paint. What a beautiful paint job. Speaking of beauty, follow me. Did I mention beauty? I think that I did. It's in the details, and that's what Marathon's all about. Take a look at this floor feature, you guys. How beautiful is that gonna be? Just came out of the Corian bath. This thing is going to be incredible. When you see this in a coach, like I said, beauty. Beauty is all over this coach, but it's all about the details. You want to talk about details on Memorial Day? And I said details, take a look at that logo. Embroidered in the seats, not just in the co-pilot, but of course the pilot. The attention to detail in every marathon coach, this is an example. I love the fact that we put our logo right here in the seats of every coach, and it really shows the detail. You want to see something else? One of my favorite rooms to show you here on Memorial Day, the parts department. The parts department here in Coburg has everything you can imagine that is needed for your coach, whether it be a replacement smoke detector or a new emblem for the back or front of your coach. This is what's really cool about being able to call Marathon and pick up a part. Anyway, you want to see what else is cool? How about shipping, receiving? This is something very important. We get a lot of parts in every single week, every single day, actually. Take a look at this. We get so many parts from large appliances to little tiny widgets. I don't even know what a widget is, but it sounded good. Look at all that. That's what it takes to build a lot of luxury coaches at one time. We're gonna show you the production floor right now because that's what we do. The production floor here in Coburg, extremely busy. 1366 I'm walking out of right now, but there's so much going on here. It's just awesome to see all the progress that happens every single day, every single week on this production floor. It's constantly changing. Want to see constant change? Like I said, constantly changing. Marketing. The marketing department at Marathon is constantly looking for new ways to market and sell these beautiful coaches. How about our magazine? What I hold right here is this is one of the edits. This is just one of the edits that our marketing team has gone through and submitted before they actually send to print the magazine. Constantly changing and getting creative on how to sell and market these beautiful coaches. Speaking of beautiful coaches, I said beautiful coaches, didn't I? Take a look at that. Straight out of the archives, that is a beautiful coach. You want to see another one? I love going into our archives room because it is one of the coolest things of looking at the history of Marathon. Look at those coaches. Isn't that beautiful? I tell you. My phone's ringing. I better answer it. But I said beautiful. Like I said, beauty, right? That's what we're focusing on. Let me show you beauty. The beauty is in the details of every little thing. Every little thing counts when you're talking about a coach. Every little thing. from the tile, from the flooring, from the ceiling to the laminate. Every single thing that goes into a coach has to be beautiful and has to work together to make that coach a masterpiece. Even down to the decor pillows. Take a look at how beautiful that decor pillow is, straight out of Coach 1358. Speaking of 1358, and like I said, Coach 1358, we're sitting in it right now. How beautiful is this coach? One of my favorite features, I'm going to show you a few of them. That TV goes up right behind the fireplace. If you need a TV, it's there. If you don't, it's gone. Or as they say on the block, if it's whack, you put it back. Pretty sweet, huh? Want to see another really cool feature? How about an extension on your dinette? You hold this button down right here, and that comes out a good 15 inches. That's really cool. That comes down to smart engineering. And speaking of engineering, like I mentioned, very important. Most likely, it's more important than any other department in this building because a properly engineered coach is one of the most important aspects. I don't know what this is, but it's cool. Other than that, and speaking of cool, I've got more to show you. Coolness, right? Talk about the cool factor on this. Look at how beautiful and cool that is. It's mid-century modern. Man, that's just a beautiful chair. And I think this is a power recliner. Very cool. Look at this one. How about this? Beautiful. Well done. It's cool. You want to see some bigger upholstery? An extension of the upholstery department is the Sofa Palace. In here, we build our own sofas, whether it be a regular jackknifing sofa or a hideaway. Take a look at this. Here's a hideaway frame right here that they're going to put right into a sofa, into a coach. We have so many different sofas, but we have to have a special room for it. And that's why we have the Sofa Palace. Now, let's head on back downstairs and call it a Memorial Day. Well, that's a wrap on our Memorial Day show for you, live from the headquarters. It's pre-recorded, but I say live because that's a bad habit. And I also picked up a magazine. Look at Jim Cogley on the front. That's pretty cool. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for walking around the building with us. Thank you to everybody who's out there celebrating the meaning of Memorial Day. And, you know, this has been a pleasure to walk around with John and Abigail and show you guys just little snippets all over the building. This was recorded on Thursday before Memorial Day, so it's only about 3-4 days old. So if it's bread, keep it in the fridge. If it's milk, you better drink it. I don't know what that means, but I'm out of here. Be yourself and do good things. Take care and have a good weekend.